Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make soup like a hotel. We'll begin by focusing on the foundation, a superior stock. This is the secret to depth of flavor. Next, selecting the freshest ingredients is crucial for a vibrant taste. Finally, consistent knife cuts ensure even cooking and a professional presentation. These initial steps are vital for achieving that restaurant-quality soup right in your own kitchen. Now let's build on that foundation. Gently sautéing aromatics like onions, carrots, and celery creates a wonderful flavor base. For texture, consider thickening methods such as a classic roux, a creamy liaison, or simply pureeing some of your vegetables. Remember to season your soup in layers, tasting frequently. This allows you to adjust and achieve a perfectly balanced and delicious result every time. The final touches are what elevate a good soup to a great one. Before serving, check and adjust the consistency. You might add a little more stock or a splash of cream for richness. Fresh herbs, a drizzle of high-quality olive oil, or a sprinkle of toasted nuts can add brightness and complexity. Thoughtful garnishes not only enhance the flavor, but also make your soup visually stunning, just like you'd find in a fine hotel. To truly master hotel-style soup, remember these expert tips. Always simmer your soup slowly and gently. This allows all the flavors to fully develop and meld beautifully. After cooking, let your soup rest for about 15 to 20 minutes off the heat before serving. This brief pause deepens the flavors even further. Finally, proper storage ensures your delicious creation can be enjoyed again later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.